In this video, we're going to show you to install the wheel well liner on your Volvo S60 located behind the front wheels. Using our 19mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove the lug studs. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now, the wheel off, we're going to access the back side of our liner here, and there's going to be 4 rivets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to go ahead and drill these out. Now that we remove the 4 rivets, just to the rear portion of our strut, we're going to locate this 10mm nut. Loosen and remove that. Now, in front of our strut here, we have this metal shield, 10mm nuts here. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove these. We're going to be reusing these, so save those. Go ahead and pull that off. Now on the front side here, we have 3 Phillips head screw inserts here. I want to go ahead and remove these here. And unscrew these here. And then use your trim tool to pop it out. I'm going to do the same for the upper one and the lower one. Okay. Now on the forward side here, we have one of our last metal rivets. Let's go ahead and drill this one out. Grab that rear portion. Now it doesn't matter if you start on the front or rear. You just need to get behind here and start to work this down and out. There's going to be little retaining tabs here on the back side that lock this onto the fender. Go ahead and take your fender liner, push that in. On the back side here, there's going to be a lip. You want to go ahead and guide that up in front of the strut so you can run your hand up inside. And there's going to be retaining tabs across the top. You want to go ahead and get those latched on the inside of the fender lip itself. And work your way right around the back. You can use a plastic trim tool here. Go ahead and make sure that that is on the outside of that fender. Here we go. Let's go ahead and line up the studs. Now on the front portion, let's go ahead and install our plastic retainers. Once we have these 3 lined up and installed, we're now going to go ahead and start to install our rivets. Let's go ahead and install our new rivet. Let's go ahead and continue to the 4 on the back. Let's go ahead and line up our liner with our fender here. Install the rear nut. You want to be careful with this here. You don't want to over tighten it. Gently snug it. On the front side here, we have our metal shield. On the top portion, there's a little hook that needs to hook onto the liner itself. So lock that on, line up the studs, install the nuts. Just going to get those started. Let's go ahead and snug those down gently. Go ahead and grab that wheel. I like to line up one of the lug holes here with the hole in the rotor. Usually about 12 o'clock position, and get that top one started. And then go ahead and get the other ones started in place. When doing this here, it's best to do it in a crisscross or a star pattern. Now that we have our lug studs installed, let's go ahead and torque them down to 103 foot-pounds. You want to do this in a crisscross pattern or a star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.